When it comes to mounting of solar module frames, trims, and other profiles, you need a reliable tape with high conformability and core strength. tesa 62508 is ideal for all these applications, ensuring a hassle-free installation every time. tesa 62508 is a double-sided polyethylene foam tape primarily used for lightweight mounting applications and is available in black and white. The tackified acrylic adhesive coats the conformable PE foam backing. 62508 allows for general mounting as well as mounting for muntin bars, solar module frames, trim, and extruded profiles. tesa 62508 adheres to substrates including steel, aluminum, and PVC. 62508 has a high adhesion for a reliable bond. This product is also UV, water, and age resistant, making it a perfect product for long-term mounting. 62508 can also be suitable for outdoor applications and is used for automatic and manual module assembly. For additional information on this or any other product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tb-philly-inc-dba-tbp-converting.com. From all of us at tb-philly Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.